I'm gonna start this video off by saying I'm sorry about the audio in this video. I don't know what happened with my cameras. 2 of my videos are messed up, but the show must go on. I've been doing a lot of serious topic, and I see this topic in the newspaper. I have to talk about it. Like, there is no way you could have passed with that topic, yeah. No way. I want to break up the monotony on my channel. Too much serious topic. So this is very fun, light-hearted, and funny, and also very serious at the same time. But let's get into it. And the title says, Kevin uses 5-inch nails to stimulate woman. I'm a woman. That's why I want to talk about this. And it says, some people use toys and stimulators to help out in the bedroom, but Dave Turgot from Frontier St. Thomas has all the support he needs for sexual satisfaction in his 5-inch fingernails. The church in that... I can't even read this rascal. Excuse me. The 39-year-old man told the Weekend Star that he first began growing his nails in 1995 after his friends challenged him to see who could grow longer. Since then, according to him, his nails have not only become a part of him, but have a major source of attraction for ladies. I grew them for the sake of romance. Women like when I rub them all over their bodies, whether it's to scratch their backs or to brush them over their cheeks or nipples. Whenever I put my hands on them, they shiver like ice. Turgot laughed when he thought of the most extreme request that he has had during a sexual encounter. About 12 years or so ago, when they were much longer, a woman asked if I could insert them into her private part because she wanted to experience how they would feel inside her, he said, blushing uncontrollably as he added that he obliged, causing her to scream with pleasure. A taxi operator Turgot's long nails extended from 3 of his fingers on his left hand. He insisted that he is able to perform regular duties, include the lifting of heavy packages whenever requested by his passengers. Thought he admitted to have cut them on numerous occasions. He told the Star that he always tried to secure the clipped pieces. I just can't throw them away. I care about them too much while they are growing by cleaning them with cotton and alcohol and looking out for them so they don't break, to just throw them away when I cut them. I can't do that because they have really become a part of me, Turgot said. The man who goes by the alias Fingernail and on occasion Wolverine said that women have asked him to cut and sell his long nails to them so that they can use them as extensions. However, he's not prepared to part with them. Jesus Christ. That's why I understand now why so much of the woman them they come for me when we did do the video about the girl with her pump-up skin out on Facebook and it looked like she had some type of disease. Come to find out the picture was doctored or fake or whatever. Needless to say, that wasn't what my video was about. I was just giving general information of how to take care of your pum-pum. But me, I wonder why so much people that come for me and evidently. No, I understand why. Because you are dirty, okay? You know how many bacteria in a fingernail? Really though? Like, you have this man with a long 5-inch nail they push up in your vagina. That's why I want to have all type of infection in a hole and I don't even know why. You're gonna have a man push his long fingernail with dirt here when he cook, all of that stuff underneath the fingernail in your pum-pum. Your pum-pum, which is such a... The environment in your vagina is very, very vulnerable. Like anything can change your pH. Anything can cause an infection because of how the vagina is set up. But no, me understand. No, me get it. No, man. Me no want no man with no 5-inch fit. Are you serious? Really? I don't cook, clean or what? Even though I say he can do all of that, I don't believe him. Me no believe him. So I would love for the man them in the comment section. Have you ever experienced anything like this? Tell me down below because me want to hear. Do you like your fingernails long or short? And also the ladies, are you one of the ladies that like to have your pum pum scratched with 5-inch fingernail? I don't know. Whatever floats your boat nowadays, because people, they gonna, me don't have no words. None. So, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube, cause them topic dangerous. If you want to check out the vlog channel, which is BRAINS&THEBEAT TV with me and SoFlo TV, it's gonna be over here. And if you want to check out my previous videos, it's gonna be right here. So, and if you want to subscribe, it's gonna be up here somewhere. So, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, Brains and the Beat, here on YouTube. I'm Patty here, man. Peace. Deuces. La 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 la. 5-inch fingernail, hole, yeah.